गुरुवे नमोस्तुते नित्यानन्द गुरुवे नमोस्तुते नित्यानन्द गुरुवे नमोस्तुते नित्यानन्द गुरुवे नमोस्तुते नित्यानन्द
प्रधानस्वरूपं महत्तत्त्वरूपं तराचारिरूपं दिगिसातिरूपम् असत्सत्स्वरूपं जगतेदुरूपं सदाशक्तिरूपं नित्यं नता स्म प्रधानस्वरूपं महत्तत्त्वरूपं दराचारिरूपं दिगिसादिरूपम् असत्सत्स्वरूपं जगतेतुरूपं सदाशक्तिरूपं नित्यं नता स्म
गुरुवे नमोस्तुते नित्यानन्द गुरुवे नमोस्तुते नित्यानन्द गुरुवे नमोस्तुते नित्यानन्द गुरुवे नमोस्तुते नित्यानन्द
द्वितीये मनस्तापयेदङ्घ्रियुग्मे जनो विघ्नसङ्गादनीडां लभेत लसत्सूर्यबिम्बे विशाले स्थितोऽयं जनोद्वान्तबीडां कथं वा लभेद द्वितीये मनस्तापयेदङ्घ्रियुग्मे जनो विघ्नसङ्गादनीडां लभेत लसत्सूर्यबिम्बे विशाले स्थितोऽयं जनोद्वान्तबीडां कथं वा लभेद
गुरुवे नमोस्तुते नित्यानन्द गुरुवे नमोस्तुते नित्यानन्द गुरुवे नमोस्तुते नित्यानन्द गुरुवे नमोस्तुते नित्यानन्द
वयं प्रामिता सर्वथा ज्ञानयोगात् अलब्धास्तवाङ्घ्रिं बहुन् वर्षभोगात् इदानीमवाप्तास्तवैव प्रसादात् प्रपन्ना सदा पाहि विश्वम्भराद्य वयं प्रामिता सर्वथा ज्ञानयोगात् अलब्धास्तवाङ्घ्रिं बहुन् वर्षभोगात् इदानीमवाप्तास्तवैव प्रसादात् प्रपन्ना सदा पाहि विश्वम्भराद्य
गुरुवे नमोस्तुते नित्यानन्द गुरुवे नमोस्तुते नित्यानन्द गुरुवे नमोस्तुते नित्यानन्द गुरुवे नमोस्तुते नित्यानन्द
अजं निर्विकल्पं निराकारमेघं निरानन्दमानन्दमद्वैतपूर्णं परं निर्गुणं निर्विशेषं निरीहं परब्रह्मरूपं नित्यं भजेम अजं निर्विकल्पं निराकारमेघं निरानन्दमानन्दमद्वैतपूर्णं परं निर्गुणं निर्विशेषं निरीहं परब्रह्मरूपं नित्यं भजेम
गुरुवे नमोस्तुते नित्यानन्द 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 गुरुवे नमोस्तुते नित्यानन्द
बम्म ता तैय तैय नक दिन भजन करे बम्म ता तैय तैय नक दिन भजन करे उदनिद नगर दिन दिताम दिताम तोम तै तै नित्यानंद नाम सदा उदनिद नगर दिन दिताम दिताम तोम तै तै नित्यानंद नाम सदा बम्म ता तैय तैय नक दिन भजन करे बम्म ता तैय तैय नक दिन भजन करे उदनिद नगर दिन दिताम दिताम तोम तै तै नित्यानंद नाम सदा उदनिद नगर दिन दिताम दिताम तोम तै तै नित्यानंद नाम सदा दिम्मिक्कड़दक ताला दिम्मिक्कीड़ ताकुड़द ताಳ तवोड्डद दिम्मिक्कड़दक ताला दिम्मिक्कीड़ ताकुड़द ताಳ तवोड्डद उदनिद नगर दिन दिताम दिताम तोम तै तै नित्यानंद नाम सदा उदनिद नगर दिन दिताम दिताम तोम तै तै नित्यानंद नाम सदा अबर बासुगै गरम बाजदी अगे नाम सतु नित्य आनंदा अबर बासुगै गरम बाजदी अगे नाम सतु नित्य आनंदा ताल मंदिर बहुदाम सत्सुर मंडलगी सुरबाजा ताल मंदिर बहुदाम सत्सुर मंडलगी सुरबाजा वेणुवासरे अमृत कुंडलिकी तारिकृतग तवाटकजा वेणुवासरे अमृत कुंडलिकी तारिकृतग तवाटकजा नारद तुम्बुरु वैणव जाग नारद गणमे उबर सत्या नारद तुम्बुरु वैणव जाग नारद गणमे उबर सत्या दिम्मिक्कड़दक ताला दिम्मिकीड़ ताकुड़द ताಳ तवोड्डद दिम्मिकीड़ದಾಗ ताला दिम्मिकीड़ ताकुड़द ताಳ तवोड्डद उदनिद नगर दिन दिताम दिताम तोम तै तै नित्यानंद नाम सदा उदनिद नगर दिन दिताम दिताम तोम तै तै नित्यानंद नाम सदा अबर बासुगै गरम बागिदी द्रिम्मि मृदंग अबर बासुगै गरम बागिदी द्रिम्मि मृदंग नवाप सारंगी सितार किनरे अबर बासुगै मुगर सिंगा नवाप सारंगी सितार किनरे अबर बासुगै मुगर सिंगा ता तैय तैय नक दिन भजन करे बम्म ता तैय तैय नक दिन भजन करे उदनिद नगर दिन दिताम दिताम तोम तै तै नित्यानंद नाम सदा उदनिद नगर दिन दिताम दिताम तोम तै तै नित्यानंद नाम सदा दिम्मिक्कड़दक ताला दिम्मिकीड़ ताकुड़द ताಳ तवोड्डद दिम्मिक्कड़दक ताला दिम्मिकीड़ ताकुड़द ताಳ तवोड्डद उदनिद नगर दिन दिताम दिताम तोम तै तै नित्यानंद नाम सदा उदनिद नगर दिन दिताम दिताम तोम तै तै नित्यानंद नाम सदा
your potentiality. You establish yourself in in the completion, space of completion, you are God. That's all. All of us are gods. The first experience is that I was able to see everything around me, above me, the whole 360 degree. I realized not only I was able to see, I was able to feel, experience the skin of the stone on rock on which I was sitting and the skin of this body. Both carry me equally. In both I exist equally. Sangha is a place where the tattvas are taught to you, and till it becomes satya, you are supported. Akhadas are basically founded by Sadashiva himself. All is ganas, Shiva ganas. Exactly the word gana means. In your length, breadth, depth, if you are filled by Shiva, you are Shiva gana. All the Shiva ganas formed the first Akhada. Later on, much later, Kapila Muni organizes Mahanirvani Akhada. Then all other Akhadas. Mahamandaleshwar of Mahanirvani Akhada, oldest apex body of Hinduism, I welcome every one of you. What I am teaching is from original Agamas Yogapada. The science very clearly declares, Sadashiva is very clear. Manifestation of these powers happen when you experience oneness with Sadashiva. When you choose your guru, the best thing is find a person who is enlightened, experienced, who can play with energy, who can directly transmit experience to you, and who is in tune with the original Shastras, the source of the knowledge. All the revealed scriptures available about the yoga directly by Sadashiva for you to do research, study, practice, question the people who teach. Let us go on contributing.
Very excited to welcome each and every one of you today for today's webinar. Secrets of Union, oneness, and power manifestation. In today's webinar, His Divine Holiness, Paramahamsa Nityananda, whom we very lovingly call as Swamiji, has decided to grace us by demystifying one of the most misunderstood subjects in the world. In today's webinar, you can expect a total reboot and reset in terms of your understanding about union, about oneness, and manifestation of Shaktis called powers. At the conclusion of this webinar, the most awaited announcement of the year, Swamiji is going to be announcing the name and giving the details of the breakthrough, the superconscious breakthrough he is going to bring down to planet Earth by the December retreat, the most awaited announcement of the year. In 2014, it was Shivoham. In 2015, it was Nityanandoham. In 2016, it was Sadashivoham. In 2017, it was Mahasadashivoham. In 2018, what is it going to be? Let's wait and watch. And now, my most difficult job is to try to give an introduction to somebody who can never be introduced. Nevertheless, I'll give a short try. Paramahamsa Nityananda is revered, regarded, respected, and worshipped as the avatar, the living incarnation, as per Hinduism, of superconsciousness by millions across the globe. He is the spiritual head of Mahanirvani Pita, the oldest and the largest apex body of Hinduism. He and his Sangha, the spiritual community around the globe, is serving humanity by reviving the science of completion, science of enlightenment, and manifesting various extraordinary spiritual powers as per the Vedagamic tradition of Sanatana Hindu Dharma. He is the author of more than 300 books, which are translated and published in more than 500 titles and various international languages. His Sangha has a strong presence worldwide through numerous temples, adinams, temple monastery complexes, gurukuls, universities, goshalas, which are cow shelters. His live satsangs, spiritual discourses, are viewed every morning at 8:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time by people from all over the world. We will now watch a short video introducing who Paramahamsa Nityananda is.
is infinitely powerful. You realize your potentiality. You establish yourself in the completion, space of completion. You are God, that's all. All of us are gods. The first experience is that I was able to see everything around me, above me, the whole 360 degree. I realized not only I was able to see, I was able to feel, experience the skin of the stone on rock on which I was sitting and the skin of this body. Both carry me equally. In both I exist equally. Sangha is a place where the tattvas are taught to you, and till it becomes Satya, you are supported. Akhadas are basically founded by Sadashiva himself. All is Ganas, Shiva Ganas, exactly the word Gana means. In your length, breadth, depth, if you are filled by Shiva, you are Shiva Gana. All the Shiva Ganas formed the first Akhada. Later on, much later, Kapila Muni organizes Mahanirvani Akhada. Then all other Akhadas. Mahamandaleshwar of Mahanirvani Akhada, the oldest apex body of Hinduism, I welcome every one of you. What I am teaching is from original Agamas Yogapada. The science very clearly declares, Sadashiva is very clear. Manifestation of these powers happen when you experience oneness with Sadashiva. When you choose your guru, the best thing is find a person who is enlightened.
I want to say a few words about what space to be in to get the maximum out of this webinar. Please keep in mind, when Swamiji speaks today, he is not just conveying words. He is sending the thought currents, the energies on various different planes for us to imbibe and for us to experience. The more receptive our space, the more understanding we will have. So for us to prepare ourselves to receive the maximum out of this groundbreaking webinar, we are going to be playing a few videos. They are called as Nityananda Oneness Capsule. What are Nityananda Oneness Capsules? The Nityananda Oneness Capsules prepare us to be in the space of high receptivity by pulling us into the space of oneness. The Nityananda Oneness Capsules include mandalas. Mandalas are secret decoded agamic energy circuits that harness the multi-dimensional energy of the universe. In the Nityananda Oneness Capsules, you will see video clips of His Divine Holiness Paramahamsa Nityananda giving darshan. During the darshan, Swamiji is creating mandalas with his hands. These are hand gestures. If we see with our third eye, we can actually see the golden lines and figures. Mandalas are intelligent power that awaken the Kundalini Shakti. Now, during the darshan videos that we are going to be playing now, called the Nityananda Oneness Capsules, the mandala His Divine Holiness creates falls on you and settles in your system. What Swamiji has done in creating the Nityananda Oneness Capsule, he takes the darshans where he creates mandalas and released them for all of us to enjoy and experience and enlighten and entangle ourselves with His Divine Holiness. He has breathed power into these videos. Even if you were not physically present when those darshans were given and blessed by His Divine Holiness, even by just watching this video through your third eye, you will experience immense Kundalini awakening, power manifestation, and oneness experience. We have a lot of Nityananda Oneness Capsule videos uploaded in our official YouTube channel, Nityananda. Right now, as we prepare ourselves for this groundbreaking webinar, we will be playing a few Nityananda Oneness Capsules for you to be in the space of oneness so you can receive the maximum out of this webinar. How do you watch this Nityananda Oneness Capsule? Bring your awareness into your third eye. How, if you have a rose flower in front of you, how you would watch that rose flower? Just like that, through your third eye, watch the Nityananda Oneness Capsules. Put a strong intensity, but without pressure. How you would watch a rose flower with that same intensity, watch the Nityananda Oneness Capsules. And as you watch them, the mandalas that His Divine Holiness creates in these oneness capsules, His darshan pulls you into the space of oneness, gratitude, and surrender, from which you can imbibe whatever His Holiness is sharing in this webinar today. So with that, let's get ready to watch the Nityananda Oneness Capsules. Nityanandam.
முட்டிக்கொண்டு நர்த்தனம் புரியும் ஈசனே சுடலை கொடி பூசி உடுக்கை தனையேந்தும் காலனே புலி தோலனே புலிகால் உள்ள முறைகின்ற மதுரை மாநகரின் வாசனே இன்னல்களை கலந்து இன்பங்களை அளிக்கும் சுந்தர வடமணி நேசனே ஞாயிறு திங்கள் முத்த முறைகின்ற செல்வழி கொண்ட செல்வனே சொற்கனே எந்த சோமனே ஐயா சோதி வடிவான ரூபனே அடிமுடி காணா அண்ணாமலையே அகிலவும் போற்றிடும் ஐயனே தோற்றிட நயமுடனாடிடும் நாதனே ஆழகாலம் உண்டு ஆழம் பாடுதனில் ஆனந்த நடமிடும் ஆதி செய்வனே மங்கையிடம் கொண்டு கங்கை முடி கொண்டு நர்த்தனம் புரியும் ஈசனே சுடலை கொடி பூசி உடுக்கை தனையேந்தும் காலனே புலி தோலனே மீனின் விழிகால் உள்ள முறைகின்ற மதுரை மாநகரின் ராசனே இன்னங்களை கலைந்து இன்பங்களை அளிக்கும் சுந்தர வடமணி நேசனே மான்மழு தானாடிட மங்கையவளிடம் கொண்டு நீயாடிவாடியார் பெருவினைகள் தீர்த்தருளவே நித்தியனே இடவத்தின் வேலேறிவா என்றென்றும் இழிசடை தானாடிட புவிதனில் சுந்தரனை நீயாடிவா தினமும் நீ விசும்பு தந்தருளவே நேசனே மலனே நீயாடிவா இமையோக சின்னலை கலந்திடும் தேவா தேவாதி தேவா சதாசிவா குருவாக வந்து திருவருள் புரிவாய் நித்யானந்தனே முக்தி தரவாவா பிறவியில் உரைகின்ற பிரமனே நீயாடிவா வணங்கிடவே காட்சியில் வண்ணாய் உரைபவனே அப்ப காட்சி தரும் எங்கள் ஆனை கவரசே ஆதிகந்தமிலாத ஜோதிய அருணகிரி உரைநாதனே உலகிடும் வாயு வடிவே காலசக்தி ஈசனே தொழுதிடத்தில்லை நகர்தனில் வாடியாடும் கூத்தனே பஞ்சபூரமும் நித்தம் பணியும் பரமனே பரமேசனே நித்யரசித நித்ய வைபவ புத்த தைலைவாசனே ஈசனே சர்வேஷனே பரமேசனே ஜெகதீஷனே நித்யனே ஆனந்தனே என் ஜீவனே குருதேவனே நித்யனே ஆனந்தனே தேவனே கங்கை முடிக்கொண்டு நர்த்தனம் புரியும் ஈசனே சுடலை புது பூசி உடுக்கை தனையேந்தும் காலனே புலி தோலனே மீன் புலிகால் உள்ள முறைகின்ற மதுரை மாநகரின் ராசனே இன்னல்களை கலந்து இன்பங்களை அளிக்கும் சுந்தர வடமணி நேசனே ஞாயிறு திங்கள் முத்த முறைகின்ற செல்வழி கொண்ட செல்வனே சொக்கனே எந்தன் சோமனே ஐயா சோதி வடிவான ரூபனே அடிமுடி காணா அண்ணாமலையே அகிலவும் போற்றிடும் வைகனே நாள்வன் போற்றிட நயமுடனாடிடும் நாதனே ஆலகாலம் உண்டு ஆலம் பாடுதனில் ஆனந்த நடமிடும் ஆடி செய்வனே மங்கையிடம் கொண்டு கங்கை முடி கொண்டு நர்த்தனம் புரியும் ஈசனே சுடலை கொடி பூசி உடுக்கை தனையேந்தும் காலனே புலி தோலனே நீரின் விழிகால் உள்ள முறைகின்ற மதுரை மாநகரின் ராசனே இன்னங்களை கலைந்து இன்பங்களை அளிக்கும் சுந்தர வடமணி நேசனே கையிலையில் வாழும் எங்கள் கையிலை நாதனே கருணையின் வடிவே நீ வருக வருகவே நலம் தரும் வாழ்வருளும் நித்யானந்தனே இளமதி சூடி நீ வருக வருகவே அன்பின் வடிவமே ஆனந்த ஈஸ்வரனே அண்டம் முழுதும் சிவ ஆட்சி மலர வருகவே அடிமுடி காணாத அண்ணாமலை நாதனே சடைமுடி ஆண்டவனே அடியெடுத்து வருகவே கையிலையில் வாழும் எங்கள் கைலை நாதனே கருணையின் வடிவே நீ வருக வருகவே நலம் தரும் வாழ்வருளும் நித்யானந்தனே இளமதி சூடி நீ வருக வருகவே மகாசதா சிவோஹம் மகாசதா சிவோஹம் மகாசதா சிவோஹம் மகாசதா சிவோஹம் விலக விலக பூமி எங்குமே ஞானம் மலர மலர தேகம் எங்குமே சுடலை சாம்பல் பூசி ஆடும்
வாழும் எங்கள் கைலை நாதனே கருணையின் வடிவே நீ வருக வருகவே நலம் தரும் வாழ்வருளும் நித்யானந்தனே இளமதி சூடி நீ வருக வருகவே அன்பின் வடிவமே ஆனந்த ஈஸ்வரனே அண்டம் முழுதும் சிவாட்சி மலர வருகவே அடிமுடி காணாத அண்ணாமலை நாதனே தலைமுடி ஆண்டவனே அடியெடுத்து வருகவே கையிலையில் வாழும் எங்கள் கைலை நாதனே கருணையின் வடிவே நீ வருக வருகவே நலம் தரும் வாழ்வருளும் நித்யானந்தனே இளமதி சூடி நீ வருக வருகவே
नित्यानन्देश्वर महासदाशिव समारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome everyone sitting with us all over the world for this beautiful webinar, Sacred Secrets of Union, Oneness, Power Manifestation. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, visitors, viewers, Sarvangnipeta Yajamans, detractors who are trying to track where I am sitting, and all the Gurukul Balasans, Sarvangnipeta Yajamans, everyone sitting with us all over the world. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. So first, let me catch up with you all. You are all extension of my very being. So I need to share with you all what I was doing for last few months, for past few months. Understand, as usual, rumor mills and detractors are spreading the idea that I am absconding, missing, not there, all that. First thing you need to understand, last few months, I have sincerely put to download all the ultimate things which I am supposed to gift to the humanity. Whatever I am supposed to gift to the humanity from the Kailash, everything, I have started downloading and making it user friendly for the humanity, so humanity can get the benefit. How all the best things, the superconscious gifts from the Kailasa can be used to enrich the humanity in the technology, in biology, in physics, in chemistry, in health, in every level. Understand, it is time I decided to hold matured conversation with humanity. I can't be wasting the time saying, oh, I have to prepare the people, prepare the ground. Let me talk from the level where they are. Let me talk to them to the level where they are. And I think it is time I have to start telling what I need to tell. Understand, "32 years of my meticulous, selfless, spiritual hard work and contribution to humanity was destroyed just in no time by the soulless yellow journalism, when the attacks and rumors and literally one of the biggest spiritual persecution ever planet Earth has seen has started on me from 2010. Understand, I am not at all bothered about the pain, physical, psychological, emotional, they are trying to inflict on the vehicle I am using, this body. No, I am not bothered about it. I am not at all bothered. It's like a temple elephant carrying Mahadeva and walking in the street. Few stray dogs will scream, will feel jealous, will bark. I am not bothered. But sometimes the elephant needs to shake his head, his trunk, so that the dogs will just walk, not even turning back. They don't even have the courage and guts to turn back and run. They will be seeing the dog and seeing the elephant and just step back, shivering. Without even turning, they will walk back. Those few moments when elephant need to shake the head to frighten those stray dogs, maybe those few moments will be disgraceful or ungraceful, disrespect for Mahadeva whom he is carrying. Understand, sometimes when I need to respond to these silly stray dogs, it looks too less of the great identity and the responsibility I am carrying on me. The Mahadeva I am carrying on me should not be given this discomfort and disrespect. When I turn my face and try to answer these silly stray dogs, this may be a little disrespect to Mahadeva I am carrying, Sadashiva I am carrying. So I decided it is time that I operate from the space where the stray dogs are redundant and irrelevant in my mission and my life. Understand, I am not bothered about what they are trying to inflict on me, even though they try their hard, they try their best to inflict physical, psychological, emotional pain and attempt to murder and attempt to kill the identity and the whole thing. How much ever they may try, I am not bothered about that. I am only bothered about the time is getting wasted answering and responding to these silly stray dogs. It's time I decided to operate from the space of Mahakailasa, where these silly stray dogs are irrelevant and redundant. I can be integrated to the Mahadeva whom I am carrying. I can be integrated to Sadashiva whom I am carrying. I can let Paramashiva operate through this body and manifest all he wants to share with the humanity, gift all he wants to give it to the whole humanity. Understand, I was sitting and spending some time downloading all the greatest gifts Paramashiva want to give it to the world, Mahadeva want to share with the world. So now I am ready. That is why I have come back to all of you to share what Paramashiva is ready to share. I am not just going to introduce a program. Understand? Paramashiva has downloaded literally everything he wanted to share, he wanted to gift to the humanity, not just in the level of individual physical health, health of the whole humanity, not just individuals' mental health of the whole humanity, not just individuals' emotional health of whole humanity. Understand, the language itself is different. It is no more just individuals or solution for individuals, solutions for individuals and the collective humanity, to the life, to the life, to the life. Understand? I am introducing all the ultimate things, all the ultimate gifts of super consciousness from the Mahakailasa for your health, for your super conscious breakthrough, for your very being. The cosmic truths in various levels. Understand? The great revelations you need to know in the field of physics for your life, the great revelations you need to know in the field of chemistry and alchemistry in your life, the great revelations you need to experience in the field of biology in your existence, the great revelations you need to have in the field of technology, information technology, are ultimately the power manifestation. the ultimate truths in the field of yoga, you are going to have 12 components of each asana. Asana, the physical posture; pranayama, the breathing structure; mudra, the energy circuit connections; bandha, internal awakening of Kundalini Shakti; 12 various components of each asana flowing into the vinyasa krama of 1008 postures. Understand? The ultimate gift of yoga by Paramashiva to all of you. Of course, with valid Shastra Pramana, Apta Pramana, Atma Pramana, it will be made as a Sakshi Pramana for you. The ultimate lifestyle, the great revelations from Paramashiva about the food, about the very important truths and realizations you need to have as a lifestyle. The greatest understandings to align yourself with the cosmos. Understand, this program is literally the ultimate revelation from the ultimate I can only utter the word ultimate, not anything, any other word cannot be added. I cannot say ultimate consciousness or ultimate Shakti or ultimate power. Ultimate, that's all. Nothing can be added. So let me reveal the program name to all of you without keeping much suspense, so I can explain the program. The program name is going to be Paramashivoham. Understand, it is Parama, ultimate. Ultimate gifting itself to all of you with the name Paramashivoham. It is going to be the expression of the ultimate yoga. Each asana having 12 components of asana, mudra, bandha, pranayama, aushada, karana, and flowing into the next asana. Like that 1008 asanas. The Pratama Vinyasa Krama 108, Dvitiya Vinyasa Krama 308, Tritiya Vinyasa Krama 504, Chaturtha Vinyasa Krama 1008. You are going to have the Parama Yoga revealed by Paramashiva, ultimate Shiva, ultimate truth. And understand, yoga is nothing but union with cosmos. It is so unfortunate. The word union is very poorly mapped and understood just for physical sex. Please understand. Sex is poor man's version of union. When you don't know anything, you just do that. That's it. Union is rich man's version of sex. It is much beyond body. It is much beyond body. Human beings mostly know only how to relieve their pressure, not have union. Understand, the ultimate secrets of union with the cosmos is yoga. All the ultimate truths will be revealed to you in this Paramashivoham, gifted to you in this Paramashivoham. Next, first ultimate yoga, the ultimate yoga gift to the humanity, Nityananda Yoga Paddhati. Then next comes Nityananda That is what I am talking for last 15 years, saying the gap between the Big Bang and the black hole is what we call life. That is what is time, what we call Vihol in Agama. The life, understand, this can be manipulated, played with, very casually. How beautifully, simply, casually you can visualize and make dreams. You can visualize and make reality. Understand how simply, how casually you can imagine and make dreams. Just fast for 2 days. You will be feasting in your dream. So the chemistry of creating a feast, that's a chemistry of imagination and dreaming. Same way, there is something called alchemistry of visualizing and manifesting the reality. The whole alchemistry, science of visualizing and manifesting manifesting the reality as you want, and not just manifesting the reality as you want, even manifesting the powers as you want. This is what is the Parama Jnana Paddhati, ultimate Jnana Paddhati revealed by Paramashiva in Agamas. Understand, this will be gifted to you. Get ready to manifest all the 463 powers and something more. Manifest all the powers which Paramashiva is revealing in Agamas, the Paramajnana Paddhati, ultimate power manifestation manual. Nityananda Jnana Paddhati is ready. Get ready to receive that gift. Listen intensely. Understand. Get ready. Prepare yourself to receive and manifest all the ultimate cosmic truths, powerful cognitions and powers, all the 463 powers. Paramashiva is revealing in Agamas through the Jnana Paddhati. Get ready to receive this gift. Next, Kriya Paddhati, the Kriya Pada. Understand all the ultimate rituals. Paramashiva is revealing and gifting it to the humanity through all the Vedagamic literatures, all those and much more. Get ready to receive those gifts. Literally, the rituals which can make you manifest powers and make you manifest the ultimate reality, which can make you manifest very space of Paramashivoham. You are also going to enjoy all the festival, ceremony, ritual components and dimensions of Vedagamic Hindu tradition. You are going to witness my 42nd Avatar Utsava, 42nd Jayanti Mahotsava. Between this program, Paramashivoham, which as usual you will see the festive narration of Hinduism. Next, Charya Paddhati, the lifestyle, the ultimate lifestyle Paramashiva is revealing in Vedagamas. Understand, one of the biggest freedom now I feel. I am feeling relieved. I can reveal the Vedagamas and the great truths, revelations from the Kailash as it is, but because as it is I can reveal to all of you. I don't need to edit, because I am operating from the space where all the stray dogs are redundant and irrelevant. We don't need to be wasting our time thinking their reactions and repercussions. Ultimate lifestyle, ultimate truths Paramashiva is revealing. About food, thought currents, body, consciousness, sex, your gender identity, about everything. Listen carefully. Many of the truths, ultimate truths, I was not able to share with you all or give to the humanity because of unnecessary, stupid, silly dogs barking and wasting our time in answering or shaking our head to make those dogs run back. It was taking too much of time, energy. Now, as Paramashiva has given us the freedom and complete liberation and made all these stray dogs, silly stray dogs, redundant and irrelevant. Now Paramashiva will be revealing, sharing all the greatest gifts from the Kailasa directly, unedited, just mapped to the need of the humanity. All the great truths, food, as per Paramashiva. Understand, you would have heard many things. Food as per Paramashiva, yoga as per Paramashiva, power manifestation as per Paramashiva, lifestyle thought currents as per Paramashiva, powerful cognitions as per Paramashiva. Now I am going to reveal sex as per Paramashiva. The cosmic union, not just releasing your hormonal pressure with the another body. Sex has nothing to do with just a man entering into a woman. Understand, it is a union. Union is the real understanding. As I said, physical sex may be a poor man's version of union. Union is the rich man's version of sex. It's beyond any of your understandings, any of your ideas, and all the 11 genders Paramashiva is revealing. I've revealed many truths about the 11 dimensions. Now I'll reveal Paramashiva's revelations about 11 genders. All the great truths unedited as it is from Kailash live relay is Paramashivoham program. Understand? Paramashivoham program is just live relay from Kailash as it is. Because all the silly stray dogs are redundant and irrelevant in my mission, in my existence, in my life anymore. Please understand, one good thing is all the silly stray dogs are just human beings. So, it's now clear. They are irrelevant and redundant for Paramashiva's work. He is starting his real mission through this body. He is opening up all the real gifts he brought from Kailasa to share with the humanity now through this body. This Paramashivoham program is the beginning of all the great gifts he brought from the Kailasha, from the Mahakailasha, whatever Paramashiva brought to share with the humanity is opening up through this body in Paramashivoham program. So understand, it's not just program, it is place where you come and enter into a space and receive all the gifts. The ultimate gifts from Paramashiva, ultimate gifts from Paramashiva, from Mahakailasa. Receive the ultimate gifts from Paramashiva, from Mahakailasha in this program Paramashivoham. Understand? I can go on and on and on explain the Paramashivoham. I'll continue to explain in further webinars and satsangs and programs. Now only I want to tell you one thing. Prepare yourself by watching every day Paramashivoham Oneness capsules getting uploaded in our YouTube channel Nityananda. Understand? I am continuously uploading Paramashivoham Oneness capsules. Just watch them through your third eye. Means keep your awareness between the eyebrows through the third eye. And just see through the third eye. See through the third eye. Nothing else. Just see through the third eye. Like how you will look at a rose. When you see something beautiful, how you will deeply look, intensely look, not seriously, but sincerely. See just like that, intensely, involved, sincere, not serious. Look through your third eye, you will evolve your consciousness. You will have union with the cosmos, oneness with Paramashiva, and you will have Kundalini experience and power manifestation just by having connection with this Paramashivoham Oneness capsules. Understand, they are programmed to invoke oneness in you. Do that. That is more than enough to prepare you continuously for Paramashivoham experience. So now, I'll conduct a very powerful process to initiate all of you and prepare you all for Paramashivoham. So before the process, now I invite Ma Jnanatma to give more details about Paramashivoham program. Then I will have the Paramashivoham process first. Paramashivoham initiation first. Let's start.
What was Swamiji's revelation about the most awaited program of the year, Paramashivoham? And a live direct relay from Kailash on Sadashiva's, Paramashiva's revelation on union, sex, oneness, and Paramashiva's revelations on Parama Yoga, on Parama Jnana Padati, and Parama Shaktis. Oh my God, I am just super excited about this program, and I'm sure all of you are super excited about this program, and we are all waiting to prepare ourselves for this beautiful Paramashivoham program. As we are waiting for Swamiji to prepare us through a very powerful process, I just wanted to take a few minutes for all of us who are getting ready for the Paramashivoham program. What are the things that we are awaiting? The dates of the Paramashivoham program. I request the vision team in Adi Kailaya to share the slides with the dates of the Paramashivoham program. The program is starting on the 20th of December and it goes on till the 10th of January 2019. 20th December 2018 to 10th Jan 2019, and that's 22 days of celebration with Paramashiva himself to become Paramashiva ourselves. So mark your dates, save your dates, and get ready for a super conscious breakthrough as you get ready to start the next year, 2019. So again, the dates of the program are from 20th December to 10th January. And right at the middle of the program, on the 31st of December 2018, we are all going to be celebrating a cosmic celebration, the Nityotsava, Swamiji's 42nd Avatar Day celebration. It's actually factored into the program. So the program is 21 days plus 1 day of an Avatar Day celebration. It's actually 22 days of Nityotsava cosmic celebration. And where is Paramashivoham program going to be conducted? Well, that's going to be a suspense. It's always good to have a little suspense in life. Why? Because Paramashiva himself is preparing the land. Because not just we have to prepare to receive Paramashivoham, the land has to be ready to receive the live direct relay from Kailash. So the land is getting prepared, and once the land is prepared, then we'll be out there announcing the location of the Paramashivoham program. Well, let's wait with our fingers crossed to know whether Swamiji is going to be in Southeast Asia or Europe or America or from Kailash. Well, you never know. Okay, so with that, now moving on to the details of the program. The program is priced at $15,000 US. And for those of you who are ready to jump in right away, we have wonderful early bird discounts. And again, I request the vision team, they'll be projecting on the slide the different dates that we have for the early bird discounts. It's always good to jump in early to prepare ourselves for the program. And for those of you who are ready to register right away for the program, till the 10th of October, we have an early bird discount and you get to save $3,000. Well, wait. One very important thing about the Paramashivoham program is this is a program where you have to attend with your partner. Why? Swamiji is going to be revealing secrets of sex as per Paramashiva. Well, who other better person to learn about sex than Paramashiva himself? Well, it's not just a release of some pressure, of hormonal pressure in our body, but it is a cosmic union. So, if you have your spouses already, this is the best way to get them introduced to Swamiji if they don't know already. This is something I'm sure every spouse is interested to know more. Well, if you don't have a partner already, it's time to get one and get them for the program. So if you're having a live-in partner or you're waiting to get one, well, you have 10 weeks. So find somebody and get them along with you for the program. So all of you, means both of you, can learn the cosmic secrets from Paramashiva himself. So your life, your marital life, and even if you're living with your partner, the life can be what both of you want from each other rather than what both of you are demanding from each other. So that That's the early bird discount. And now, how can I register for the program? The link to register for the program is paramashivoham.nityananda.org. And we are going to be projecting the slide on the screen for a few minutes for all of you to jump in and put your name. Now, let me tell you this. Whenever Paramashiva, Sadashiva, Mahasadashiva, our beloved Swamiji is coming up with any breakthrough revelation, always be the first to jump in the line. Say, yes, let me experience this superconscious breakthrough revealed by Paramashiva himself. And the minute you say yes, Paramashiva himself is going to align your time, your finances, your family, getting approval from your boss, getting approval from your home boss, your spouse, making everything aligned for you to make it for the program. So all you need to do is say yes and go up and sign up in the link that's being projected on the screen, and Swamiji himself is going to conduct a 10-week preparation program. Yeah, and you heard it right. 10-week preparation program from now till Paramashivoham starts on the 20th of December to prepare each and every one of you for this superconscious breakthrough, for receiving this signs of union as revealed by Paramashiva himself, live relay from Kailash. So prepare yourself by signing up for the program and watch out for more information. And we are going to be conducting a series. Swamiji is going to be blessing us with a series of weekend workshops as we prepare ourselves for the grand December program, Paramashivoham. So with that, I'm going to give a few minutes for each of you to jump in and put your name and get ready for the cosmic union, for the cosmic breakthrough. Which other than Mahasadashiva, Paramashiva himself, to know about the signs of cosmic union. So, well, if you have a spouse already, prepare them up. If you don't have one, start looking for one as you get ready for the Paramashivoham program. So we'll give you a few minutes for each of you to jump in and save your spots while we wait for the final powerful initiation and process from Swamiji. Nityanandam.
Kids, sure, bring your kids. This is the best way they will learn everything about life and superconsciousness. This is the best gift you can give to your kids or parents. So bring everyone. Understand, I'm opening the doors of Kailash to the whole humanity, sharing the gifts from the Kailash, from Paramashiva to the whole humanity. Whether you are underpaid or overpaid, you have money problem. Whether you are undersexed or oversexed, you have sex problem. Whether you are underpleasured or overpleasured, you have a pleasure problem. Understand, Paramashiva can completely not only solve the problems, can convert your problems into powers. So, obstacles can become miracles. Problems and patterns can become powers and powerful cognitions. And I am also opening the door of Kailash, doors of Paramashivoham for volunteering. If you are already an IA grad, you have done any one IA or Nityanandoham, Shivoham, Sadashivoham, Mahasadashivoham, any 121-day program, Inner Awakenings, you are free to apply for volunteering. You can apply for
Ashi. Shivoham. Om Nityananda Nityananda Paramashivoham.
கையிலையில் வாழும் எங்கள் கையிலை நாதனே, கருணையின் வடிவே நீ வருக வருகவே. நலம் தரும் வாழ்வருளும் நித்யானந்தனே, இளமதி சூடி நீ வருக வருகவே. அன்பின் வடிவமே ஆனந்த ஈஸ்வரனே, உனது பார்வையால் மாயைகள் விலக விலக பூமி எங்குமே, ஞானம் மலர மலர தேகம் எங்குமே, சுடலை சாம்பல் பூசி ஆடும் மன்னனே, பாதம் பதிய வருக விரிசடையோனே, திரிபுரம் எரித்த அந்த தடல் விழியோடு தீமைகள் ஒழிக்க வருக அம்பலத்திலே, நித்தம் வாழுகின்ற தாண்டவத்தையே அகிலம் உணரவே பொங்கிடும் மங்களம் பூலோகம் எங்கிலும் கங்கையின் வெள்ளமாய் பாய்ந்தோடி வந்திடும், கால காலனாக நீ நின்றிடும் அற்புதம் கண்டவர் யாவரும் திருவடி அதில் சரணடைந்திட. கையிலையில் வாழும் எங்கள் கையிலை நாதனே, கருணையின் வடிவே நீ வருக வருகவே. நலம் தரும் வாழ்வருளும் நித்யானந்தனே, இளமதி சூடி நீ வருக வருகவே. அன்பின் வடிவமே ஆனந்த ஈஸ்வரனே, அண்டம் முழுதும் சிவாட்சி மலர வருகவே. அடிமுடி காணாத அண்ணாமலை நாதனே, தடைமுடி ஆண்டவனே அடியெடுத்து வருகவே. கையிலையில் வாழும் எங்கள் கையிலை நாதனே, கருணையின் வடிவே நீ வருக வருகவே. நலம் தரும் வாழ்வருளும் நித்யானந்தனே, இளமதி சூடி நீ வருக வருகவே.
அண்ணாமலையே சோதி வடிவான ரூபனே என் குருநாதா என் குருநாதா என் குருநாதா அஞ்ஞான கடல் நீங்கி எனக்கு ஆத்ம ஞானம் அளிப்பாய் குருநாதா நித்யானந்தா ஆத்ம ஞானம் அளிப்பாய் நித்யா மங்கையிடம் கொண்டு கங்கை முடி கொண்டு நர்த்தனம் புரியும் ஈசனே சுடலை புலி பூசி உடுக்கை தனையேந்தும் காலனே புலி தோலனே மீன் விழியால் உள்ள முறைகின்ற மதுரை மாநகரின் ராசனே இன்னல்களை கலைந்து இன்பங்களை அளிக்கும் சுந்தர வடமணி நேசனே திங்கள் நித்த முறைகின்ற செவ்விழி கொண்ட செல்வனே சொக்கனே எந்த சோமனே ஐயா சோதி வடிவான ரூபனே அடிமுடி காணான் நாமலையே அகிலம் போற்றிடுமையனே நாகாவரணனே நால்வர் போற்றிட நயமுடனாடிடும் நாதனே ஆள ஆழமுண்டு ஆழம் காடு தனில் ஆனந்த நடமிடும் ஆதி செய்வனே மங்கையிடம் கொண்டு கங்கை முடி கொண்டு நர்த்தனம் புரியும் ஈசனே சுடல கொடி பூசி உடுக்கை தனையேந்தும் காலனே புலி தோலனே மீனின் விழிகால் உள்ள மான்மழு தானாடி ஆதிகந்தமிழாத ஜோதிய அருணகிரி உரைநாதனே உலகை கிடும் வாயு வடிவே காலகத்தி ஈசனே தொழுதிடத்தில்லை நகர்தனி வானில் ஆடும் கூத்தனே பஞ்சபூதமும் நித்தம் பணியும் பரமனே பரம
महासदाशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द महासदाशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द महासदा
பழகு 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 அவனோ குழந்தை போல மனது
आनंद परमशिवो हम ओम नित्यानंद परमशिवो हम ओम नित्या आनंद परमशिव शिवोऽहं सदाशिवोऽहं महा सदाशिवोऽहं परमशिव शिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द महासदाशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्
அருணாச்சலனே அகிலம் தாண்டி ஆளும் அரசே நீ இன்றி விடிவேது எங்களை காத்திடவே கண்கள் போதாது உன்னை பார்த்திடவே விநாயகனே வேதத்தில் வித்தகனே பரமருளே ஞானத்து திருவருளே கோடி வேண்டும் தெய்வத்தின் சிவனர் நிலைத்திடவா பல்லாண்டு பல்லாண்டு பல்லாயிரத்தாண்டு பன்னாடு சென்றாலும் தென்னாடு நின்னாடு 33 கோடி தேவர்கள் தப்பான ஓராடி வந்தாரையா வாராரு வாராரையா எங்க கொண்டசாமி வாராரையா கொண்டாடு கொண்டாடையா இந்த நாள கொண்டாடையா கொண்டாரு வந்தாரையா எங்க குலசாமி வந்தாரையா தன்னாரு தந்தாரையா ஞான தந்தாரையா எங்க திசையெங்கும் முரசு கொட்ட வெட்டு காட்டி வாராரையா வாராரு வாராரையா எங்க கொண்டசாமி வாராரையா கொண்டாடு கொண்டாடையா இந்த நாள கொண்டாடையா கொண்டாரு வந்தாரையா எங்க குலசாமி வந்தாரையா தன்னாரு தந்தாரையா ஞான தந்தாரையா
மண்ணே மாமலகே மணியே மாணிக்கமே மரகதமே வைரமே பொன்னே புகழ் சேர் பொன்மலகே சோதி வடிவான ரூபனே என் குருநாதா என் குருநாதா என் குருநாதா அஞ்ஞான கடல் நீங்கி எனக்கு ஆத்ம ஞானம் அளிப்பாய் குருநாதா நித்யானந்தா ஆத்ம ஞானம் அளிப்பாய் நித்யானந்தா மங்கையிடம் கொண்டு கங்கை முடி கொண்டு நர்த்தனம் புரியும் ஈசனே சுடலை புடி பூசி உடுக்கை தனையேந்தும் காலனே புலி தோலனே மீன் விழிகால் உள்ள முறைகின்ற மதுரை மாநகரின் ராசனே இன்னல்களை கலைந்து இன்பங்களை அளிக்கும் சுந்தர வடமணி நேசனே ஞாயிறு திங்கள் நித்த முறைகின்ற செவ்விழி கொண்ட செல்வனே சொக்கனே எந்தன் சோமனே ஐயா சோதி வடிவான ரூபனே அடிமுடி காணா அண்ணாமலையே அகிலம் போற்றிடும் ஐயனே நாகாவரணனே நால்வர் போற்றிட நயமுடனாடிடும் நாதனே ஆழகாலம் உண்டு ஆழம் காடு தனில் ஆனந்த நடமிடும் ஆதி செய்வனே மங்கையிடம் கொண்டு கங்கை முடி கொண்டு நர்த்தனம் புரியும் ஈசனே சுடலை பொடி பூசி உடுக்கை தனையேந்தும் காலனே புலி தோலனே மீனின் விழிகால் உள்ள முறைகின்ற மதுரை மாநகரின் ராசனே இன்னல்களை கலைந்து இன்பங்களை அளிக்கும் சுந்தர வடமணி நேசனே மான்மழு தானாடிட மங்கையவளிடம் கொண்டு நீயாடிவாடியார்க்கு இருவினைகள் தீர்த்தருளவே நித்யனே இடபத்தின் மேலேறிவா என்றென்றும் விரிசடை தானாடிட புவிதனில் சுந்தரனே நீயாடிவா அனுதினமும் நீல் விசும்பு தந்தருளவே நேசனே விமலனே நீயாடிவா இமையோர்கள் இன்னலை கலந்திடும் தேவா தேவாதி தேவா சதா சிவா வாவா குருவாக வந்து திருவருள் புரிவாய் நித்யானந்தனே முக்தி தரவாவா விடதியில் உரைகின்ற பிரமணே நீயாடிவா வணங்கிடவே காஞ்சியில் மண்ணாய் உரைபவனே அப்பாய் காட்சி தரும் எங்கள் ஆணை காவரசே ஆதியந்தமே அந்தமில்லாத ஜோதியாய் அருணகிரி உரைநாதனே உலகைய கிடும் வாயு வடிவே காலகத்தி ஈசனே தொழுதிடத்தில்லை நகர்தனி பாடில் ஆடும் கூத்தனே பஞ்சபூதமும் நித்தம் பணியும் பரமனே பரமேசனே நித்ய ரசித நித்ய வைபவ குப்த கைலை வாசனே ஈசனே சர்வேசனே பரமேசனே ஜெகதீசனே நித்யனே ஆனந்தனே என் ஜீவனே குரு தேவனே நித்யனே ஆனந்தனே என் ஜீவனே குரு தேவனே நித்யனே ஆனந்தனே என் ஜீவனே
ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् 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 ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्
அருணையில் உதித்த அருணாச்சலனே அகிலம் தாண்டி ஆளும் நீ இன்றி விழிவேது எங்களை காத்திடவே என் இரு கண்கள் போதாது உன்னை பார்த்திடவே அருணையில் உதித்த அருணாச்சலனே அகிலம் தாண்டி ஆளும் அரசே நீ இன்றி விழிவேது எங்களை காத்திடவே இரு கண்கள் போதாது உன்னை பார்த்திடவே விநாயகனே
With this, I bless you all. Let the initiation of Paramashivoham manifest in every one of us, and Paramashiva manifest in all of us, and make all the auspicious things happen. Make all the auspicious things into reality. I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam. Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful. Ananda Mahasada Shivoham Om Nitya